Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Sydney waves hi. Hi. Hi, everybody. Can I have another? Ow! That's Kookaberry attacking me. He just pulled my glasses off my face. And look, I'll show you the evidence. There's my glasses. He just flew across the room and pulled my glasses off my face. And he thinks it's real funny. It's okay, Sydney. Hi, handsome. That's not very funny, Kookaberry. That's not fun at all. Crazy little bird. Are you okay, Sydney? It's way too cold outside to open the window. It's like very cold outside. Well, for San Diego standards. Well, he said sunny.